Hello everybody, welcome back. So I have a tonneau cover on my pickup, and the issue I have with it is the latch on both sides that hold the tonneau cover down. There is a threaded rod that screws into a bar with a through threaded hole, and what will end up happening is this threaded rod will end up threaded too far through, and then it gouges the metal inside the rail, or it'll unscrew entirely and then the assembly will fall apart, usually while I'm traveling. So what I've decided to do, and I don't know why they didn't do this from the factory, is I'm going to take some blue threadlocker and put the threadlocker here and then reassemble so it doesn't come apart on me again, and it also doesn't end up threaded too far through. I've already taken some solvent and bristle brush and some swabs, and I've cleaned up the grease and the oil off of this so that the thread locker can get a good bite on it. So what I'm going to do now is apply some of the thread locker. There we go. Just a little bit. Try to get it as even as I can. A little bit more. There we go. Alright, so now that I have that on there, I'm going to attempt to thread this back together. Now, of course, this bar is not kept, so it can be difficult. It can be difficult to get it started. I think it has started now. So I'm threading that together, and what I'm going to do is take a look from underneath and make sure that the threaded rod is not sticking out. Yeah, it is not. So then what I need to do is put the latch back on top. That is something that can be difficult because it's a two-piece design and it's hard to line up. There we go. So I'm holding the rod with my fingers. I'm screwing this back down. That's just to kind of keep everything in place. What I'm going to do is just lay that in there. I'm going to check there again. It's not sticking out too far. I'm going to give this some time to cure. Once it's cured, everything should be secured, and I shouldn't have that problem anymore. If you've liked this video, give me a like. Make sure to share, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.